Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Web Coding with Dinku. Today we together solve the sorted array with the help of merge sort. So let's get started. We have a constant array as let's start building the functionality for merge sort. So let's started taking an array which have the variables of 8, 20, -2, 4 and -6. This is our unsorted array. And for this, we will want that it has a merge sort. We have a function merge sort, and in that we pass this array. And in this, what we expect in this to be output like this. So let's start building our array. As you all know that we are building the functionality with the merge sort, so we can use that. So merge sort, we can copy this and we can paste it and we can get an array. So first of all, you know that in merge sort we are dividing the array into until the NLH it should have a value less than 2. So for this we take a base case as if array.length should be smaller than 2, then it will return an array, because we need then it will return an array. It's return array, because we know when it will be should return an array when the value of an element when the array is 1, return 1. Then let's take a midpoint of an array which we take it as mid. We can take it as match.floor argument.length. Then we have taking a two array, left and right array. So we can get left array is equal to array dot slice 0 array dot slice dot 0 to mid element, and this mid element out to the length will be kept in the right array. Okay, then after that we can merge this with the help of return statement. We can merge all the left and the right array. We can merge on the merge sort with merge sort left array until unless the value should be greater less than until then unless the element should be equal to 1. Okay, so we can pass this array to this and we can return this. Now first condition are satisfied that we in this what we are doing, we can get the midpoint of an element in an array. Then after that we can move to 0 to midpoint element on the left array and right array to array dot slice, and then we can return with using, we can recursively call it merge. We can recursively call it merge with the until unless until the element should have value 1. It should be divide that array of element until it reaches the array length of is smaller than 2, which is 1. So now we take second case, that is function. Now we can merge once we reach the value to 1. So we can pass on right array. We can call it left array and right array. Now we can take a temporary array that we tell as sorted array to be an empty array which is act like a temporal. Now for this we can check if the array length is greater than, if both the array length is positive, then we have to match the left and right variable of an array, left array variable and right array. So what we have to do, left array is more than equal to, so we have to do this, and for this sorted array dot push will be passed on to the left array dot shift, and now as it will be sorted array dot push to right array. Even right array dot shift, it will shift the element from the right array, okay, and push it in the sorted array. Now after that we can recursively we can do it in this. Now we can return and call that particular function until unless we can merge all the sorted array. Now we have a sorted element, we have a left element, and we have to, at the end we can return in the by merging all these things in the value of array. So this is how our merge sort works. So let's try to run this output and let's see what the output should be match what we expected. So let's click on this. Yes, here you can see that as you expected in the array of -6, -2, 4, 8 and 20, you will find the same output at what we expected. Now as you know, now what it would be the big notation for this. big O notation for this. It is of 0 of n log n. How it could be? Because for, as you can see that in this particular function we are divided the array into divide by 2. We can divide the size of the array by 2, so it will known as log n, O of log n. Then after that we can take a while loop. We have a loop in the second function. We have the loop of while. We are we have a loop for while which is known as O of log n. When we merge these combined formation in both these combinations, so we get O and log n. So this is the time-based time and space complexity for the merge sort. I hope you are able to get how we have calculated the merge sort, how we sort the unsorted array with the help of merge sort algorithm. I will share this code in my description. Please go through and review it. If you are not able to understand, please drop me a message. I hope you like the video. Thank you.